Let's hop on a train to Segamat.
Nice one.
Time for some Bak Kut Teh lunch.
This is pretty good. Probably more bitter.
After lunch, it's time to burn off some calories with rollerblading. Bad for a first timer, I guess.
Thank you.
And on the dinner menu, it's zi. Nothing beats an evening snooker sesh. Let's just say there's something there.
Look at this POV. Oh my god. Can't find anything there about it. So I'll film this.
Manifesting every play is well timed. Shawty love the vision, I told her let's grind. 20 acres now, but I need a gold mine.
You can't taste like the flour feeling like
Focus on my shine, I'm on my own time.
Match
I said it's no time, so I went and got it. I had to
Try this durian jackfruit variant.
up in the lofting. I kick back, relax, less stress when I stop selling packs. Got out the streets and I hit the book racks. It paid off. You looking like you laid off, sold out. Yeah, my money old now, so old that it's rotten. Benjamin's flowing in like a faucet. Used to take the pizza dough and toss it. My name's
Salmon nigiri was questionable, but the veggie tempura was bomb. Next up, it's Segamat's one and only bowling alley.
so you'll remember. Are you a member? If not, then you can sign up. I'm climbing up the vine, Call me Jack, I'm on the beanstalk. I stay silent, let the green talk. Let the green talk. Cash catastrophe, I blow it, then I get it back rapidly. Why she always gotta be mad at me? She looked at me and said, it's kinda like your dad to me. Get your act together, talking all these fallacies. I had to go and chase the cash, yeah, I had to see what's the cost to be the boss. Mastery. I wrap a riddle in a metaphor.
Did a bit of sightseeing before dinner.
Flavor food.
It's nice. I say this like 8.5. You don't want to eat so much. Your dinner like that okay.
Like I don't know. We're staying out late today. I got my own kiwi.
Good for you.
We buy instant noodle for you lah.
不要紧，长大就好啊。谢谢。
Eat food then food.
Let's go hit the car, bro.
This Segamat trip taught me that happiness can come from a humble bowl of Bak Kut Teh and some quality time with family and friends. Plus, sweating it out in a stuffy bowling alley definitely makes you appreciate the little things in life, you know? I'll undoubtedly look back on these first-time experiences with a lot of love. Peace out.